Welcome back, everyone. I'm excited to have you all here for the final part of module number 6, Client Acquisition and Relationship Management. Over the past two sessions, we've delved into lead generation strategies and sales techniques and negotiation, exploring how to effectively attract and close deals with potential clients. Today, we'll be rounding out this module with an equally important topic: client onboarding management. Once you've closed a deal, the journey is far from over. In fact, it's just the beginning. How you onboard and manage your clients can significantly impact the longevity and success of your relationship with them. In this session, we'll discuss how to create smooth, efficient onboarding process, foster client satisfaction, and apply management techniques to retain and grow your client partnerships. Let's dive in. Here's a look at what we'll be covering in Part 3, Client Onboarding and Management. First, we'll explore best practices for onboarding new clients. We'll discuss how to create a seamless onboarding experience that sets the stage for a successful partnership. This includes understanding the key elements of an effective onboarding process that ensures your new clients feel welcomed and valued from day one. Next, we'll dive into managing ongoing client relationships. Building a lasting client relationship requires more than just a strong start. We'll look at strategies for maintaining those relationships and techniques for proactive client management to keep your clients engaged and satisfied. Finally, we'll focus on delivering exceptional service and exceeding expectations. It's not enough to meet client expectations. We'll discuss ways to go above and beyond to delight your clients. We'll also touch on how to measure client satisfaction and continuously improve your service. Let's get started with our first topic: best practices for onboarding new clients. Let's dive into our first agenda item: best practices for onboarding new clients. Creating a seamless onboarding experience is crucial for setting the tone of your client relationship. A smooth transition from sales process to service delivery helps build trust and sets clear expectations. To achieve this, ensure that every step from signing the contract to the initial kickoff meeting is well coordinated and efficient. Next, let's talk about the key elements of an effective onboarding process. This includes 1. Documentation. Providing clear, comprehensive documents that outline the scope of work, timelines, and any other pertinent details. Number 2. Communication. Establishing open lines of communication to keep the client informed and involved. 3. Initial setup. Ensuring that all necessary setups such as account configurations or access provisions are completed promptly. What has been your experience with client onboarding? Have you encountered any challenges or found particular strategies that work well in creating a smooth onboarding process? To further illustrate best practices for onboarding new clients, let's look at some real-world examples. Creating a seamless onboarding experience. For instance, a company might send a welcome package that includes all necessary information, such as detailed project plan and key contracts. They might also assign a dedicated onboarding specialist who's responsible for guiding the client through every step of the process, ensuring no details are overlooked. Key elements of an effective onboarding process. Number 1, documentation. An example here could be an onboarding checklist that outlines all the required documents and steps. This might include a clear contract detailing the scope of work and any other essential terms. Number 2, communication. Regular updates are crucial. For instance, sending weekly update emails and scheduling bi-weekly check-in calls can help keep the client informed and engaged. Number 3, initial setup. Ensuring the client has immediate access to necessary systems and tools is essential. For example, providing login credentials and setting up project management tools from day one can help start the project smoothly. Have you used any of these strategies in your onboarding process? What impact did they have on your client relationships? Moving on to our next agenda item, managing ongoing client relationships. We have strategies for maintaining strong client relationships. Number one, regular communication. Keep in touch with your clients through regular check-ins. For example, schedule monthly review meetings to discuss progress, address concerns, and plan for the future. Number two, proactive problem solving. Address potential issues before they become problems. If you notice a trend or potential roadblock, bring it up with the client and discuss possible solutions before they escalate. Let's talk about techniques for proactive client management. Number one, anticipating needs. Look ahead and anticipate your client's future needs. For instance, if you're working with a tech company, stay informed about upcoming technology trends and suggest how they might integrate new tools or strategies. Number two, providing regular updates. Keep clients informed about project status, milestone, and any changes. This could be through weekly summary emails or real-time project dashboards. How do you currently maintain your client relationships? What proactive steps do you take to ensure ongoing satisfaction? Before we dive into the next agenda item, let's explore how these techniques and strategies for managing client relationships can benefit you. First, enhance client retention. By maintaining a regular communication and proactively addressing issues, you significantly increase client satisfaction. Satisfied clients are more likely to stay with your services long term, reducing churn and providing stability for your business. Second, improve client satisfaction. Proactive problem solving and anticipating needs show clients that you genuinely care about their success. This not only makes them feel valued, but also strengthens their overall satisfaction with your service. Finally, opportunities for growth. Building strong client relationships often leads to opportunities for upselling additional services or products. Additionally, satisfied clients are likely to refer you to others, helping you grow your client base organically. How have these strategies impacted your client relationships in the past? Have you noticed improvements in client satisfaction or retention as a result? Now that we have discussed how to manage client relationships effectively, let's move on to delivering exceptional service and exceeding expectations. Ways to go above and beyond. First, personalized service. Tailor your interactions to each client's unique needs. For example, if a client has specific preferences or requirements, customizing your approach to fit those needs demonstrates a commitment to their success and builds stronger rapport. Second, exceeding promises. Always aim to deliver more than what was promised. For instance, if you complete a project ahead of schedule or provide additional recommendations beyond the initial scope, it shows clients that you are dedicated to their success and willing to go the extra mile. Next, measuring and improving client satisfaction. First, surveys. Regularly use satisfaction surveys to collect feedback about their experience. This will help you identify what's working well and where there might be room for improvement. Second, feedback mechanism. Set up easy-to-use feedback systems like follow-up emails or feedback forms to gather client input continuously. These practices are essential for not just meeting but exceeding client expectations. Now, let's discuss how implementing these strategies can have a significant impact on your client relationships. But before that, what are some of the ways you've gone above and beyond for your client? How do you currently measure and use client feedback to enhance your service? As we wrap up part 3, Client Onboarding and Management, let's reflect on some key takeaways. Seamless onboarding. We've emphasized the importance of creating a smooth onboarding experience to start client relationships on the right foot. Proactive management. Maintaining strong client relationships through regular communication and proactive problem solving helps ensure ongoing satisfaction. Exceptional service. Going above and beyond to exceed client expectations can significantly enhance client retention and lead to growth opportunities. By implementing these strategies, you can greatly improve client satisfaction and build long-lasting relationships. Remember, client management is not a one-time effort but a continuous process. Regularly review and refine your practices to adapt to changing needs and expectations. What strategies have you found most effective in your client onboarding and management? How do you plan to incorporate these insights into your practices? Thank you for joining us for Module 6, Client Acquisition and Relationship Management. We've covered essential strategies for onboarding new clients, maintaining strong relationships, and delivering exceptional service. To recap, we discussed number 1, how to create a seamless onboarding experience. 2, strategies for managing ongoing client relationships effectively. 3, techniques for exceeding client expectations and measuring satisfaction. Looking ahead, our next module, Module 7, utilizing Passivae platform for client management. We'll introduce you to powerful tools and features designed to streamline and enhance your client management processes. We'll explore how Passivae can help you manage your client interaction more efficiently and drive greater success in your recruitment efforts. Thank you once again for your participation. We look forward to seeing you in the next session where we'll delve into optimizing your client management with Passivae. Thanks everybody. Bye.